Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should.
Hey, what's up guys, here with Technical Tech, helping you understand technology. So welcome to my channel. Thank you very much. Hello, तो कैसे हैं आप? Oh shit, I'm copying Canadianity. Sorry. Hello viewers, this is your host and host Mubarak Islam. Welcome back to another video. So guys, I'm going to discuss today simple and easy tricks how to download YouTube videos without any apps or any software. So guys, to do this, what to do, you just focus on my tutorials. So let's go to the video. So guys, you can see this is the screen of the computer in which you have to go to Google Chrome browser. I'm opening it, and you have to go to YouTube channel. So guys, I have already copied the link, so I'm putting the link here. This is the link. You can see some songs is there. So you can just copy any other link of YouTube to download it. So I'm pressing it, so that will happen here. There is a song, and so there might be a copyright strike on me, so please, I'm pausing it. So you are wanting to download this. So to do this, what we will have to do, just go there and type youtube.com. see, you see https www.youtube.com. okay, so here what you have to do is just input 2s. now just enter it, then you will get another site, you see save from net. That will help you. So guys, you can see the item which I was wanting to download actually. Here if I click on download, then it will be downloaded. Here you will find some options, you see. Then just download, click it, download. It will be that's it. Here you can see the video is downloading. Okay, so I'm finishing my video. Thank you very much. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. I'm really new YouTuber, you see. So thank you very much, and please subscribe my channel. If you're new, then you must subscribe my channel. If you're old, then still you have to subscribe my channel. And if you have already subscribed my channel, please say other to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. I'm finishing it off. Bye bye.